This is going to be a really quick and easy teff flour meat recipe that you can use, especially for those people who are just going from eating meat to vegan. So, starting off with some portobello mushrooms, obviously sea salt, not the regular salt. I use some cayenne and thyme, as well as you can put some onion powder. And then I put way too much grapeseed oil. I always just kind of mix them up in that mixture, and then I bake them at 425 for about 20 minutes. Then I also added a zucchini in there, and I just prepped it the same way. This is like literally the most easy, non-mess way to do vegetables, so that's why I do it. And then the teff, in order to make it even more easily digestible or to make it taste like sourdough, this is what I do is you put water in it and you let it kind of sit for like 48 hours. Anyways, I mixed to make the bread. I mixed that with basil, some grapeseed oil, and then also the leftover water from chickpeas, but you could also just use spring water. And I did not measure anything. I just kind of put it together in a way that it's the consistency that is kind of like a pancake. No, not like a pancake batter, more like a crepe, but you can see from the video of what that consistency is, and you can make as much as you like from there. And then I just fried it on a pan. You definitely want to do a cast iron pan if you want. And then I put it on a bed of arugula, red onions, not the white kinds. The white kind are bleached. And yeah, I put the vegetables on top as well there with the avocado. And then I'm adding some um, alkaline hummus that I made. The recipe will be in my recipe book, so definitely stay tuned for that and follow me on my Instagram. Give this video a like, a share, a save, anything that helps. I really appreciate it if you liked it. And yeah, you can also, if you're looking to add in more protein, one way that I definitely had done it is adding a lot of hemp seeds on top of basically everything I ate. But at this moment in time, I've kind of stepped away from the idea that we need protein because our body produces it from the amino acids in food that we eat. Anyways, enjoy. I love you. Bye.